Thank you for choosing RDI's 4-piece adjustable trim rings from the RDI crossover family of products. Our 4-piece adjustable trim rings add the perfect finishing touch to your post installation. Easy to install and low maintenance, our vinyl trim rings can be adjusted to fit 3.5-inch to 6.375-inch square posts or post sleeves. Trim rings conceal uneven cuts in hardware for a professional, finished look. Our 4-piece trim ring can be put on after post installation or added to an existing post. To begin installation, locate the numbered score lines on the underside of the trim ring. Use these numbers as a guide for accurate cutting, depending on the size of your post. For example, the number 4 score line represents 4 inches. Then, cut your trim ring. For easy cutting, you can also use snips or a miter saw. Next, use gentle pressure and snap your trim ring pieces together tightly against the post. And that's all there is to it. Be sure to visit us on the web at www.rdirail.com to see other exciting products to add that perfect finishing touch you've been looking for. Thanks for watching.